The question is that why the laws are not sufficient for the transgender. It's a question asked by Naitik Vinay. So let's answer this question. The main thing is that even right now there is no equality in the boys and girls, as we all know. So government will make a rule for the transgender in which there will be separate school, or for showing the equality there will be same school with the normal student, in which there will be normal teachers with them and normal students, which will help the transgender. And there would be a law if in which if someone does that discrimination, even the child, so if a child does that, we will send him to juvenile jail, and also he need to pay for that. And transgender will grow that. And also if they want to teach the transgender in a different way, so there should be a school in which the transgender will be taught by also a transgender teacher, which will help them to encourage, and they will not get any kind of hesitation in front of that teacher. And after that, every kind of, even we know that transgender are doing good, they have all rights. In the article 14 to 18 it has been written that there will be no discrimination in the gender, race and etc. things, as we all know. Because of this kind of thing, it will improve more. As we know, recently made 3 rules. In the future it will make more, and after some time transgender will be equal.